Every human needs vitamins to help grow and support the level of human health. For example, vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin D. All vitamins certainly play an important role in the human body and have their own functions. But do you know what will happen to the human body if it lacks vitamin C? First, feel tired easily. Vitamin C is one of the most important vitamins for the human body. Then when your body lacks vitamin C, you will easily feel tired and lifeless. Therefore, when you easily feel tired, the mood will also easily change to bad. You will become easily angry and stressed with the surrounding situation due to the impact produced by a body that lacks vitamin C. Second, often get sick. When you lack vitamin C, your antibodies will also deteriorate and your health will deteriorate over time. This is because vitamin C is able to produce stronger antibodies than other vitamins. If you take other vitamins but ignore vitamin C, it will not guarantee the health of your body. When your antibodies are weak, then the disease will be easily transmitted to you. Third, skin becomes dry and dull. Vitamin C is able to produce antioxidants that provide benefits to human skin. Antioxidants work as a defense agent for body cells against damage produced by free radicals. Without antioxidants, your body will be easily damaged caused by sunlight, cigarette and vehicle smoke, dust around you. Fourth, joint pain. Joint pain is a symptom that often occurs in the human body that lacks vitamin C. A body that lacks vitamin C is easily affected by joint pain and gout. Uric acid will form crystals in the joints of the body causing pain and swelling. 5. Poor quality red blood cells. Red blood cells need iron, which is used to bind oxygen to distribute it throughout the human body. Iron needs to be produced vitamin C enough. Ascorbic acid produced by vitamin C also works to increase the absorption of iron in the skin. See how dangerous it is if poor quality blood is distributed throughout the body due to a lack of iron that can only be produced by vitamin C. 6. Swollen and bleeding gums. Gum disease is one of the signs of vitamin C deficiency. This is because vitamin C supports the health of gum tissue from any inflammation. Vitamin C deficiency causes gum inflammation that produces swollen and bleeding gums. Besides that, it will get worse until the gums turn bruised and rotten. It is not a trivial matter because gums are also important for humans. Even worse, your gums will lead to tooth loss if follow-up treatment is not done. 7. Wounds heal slowly. Lack of vitamin C will cause wounds to heal more slowly than usual. This is because the occurrence of bacterial infection of the wound so that the old wound can also open again. Germs and infections easily because your body and skin do not have the best protection due to the absence of vitamin C to protect the human body's immunity. It is clear that vitamin C is very important in supporting the health of the human body. So, think about it when you feel that vitamin C is not important because you think that your body is already protected enough. This is all my knowledge this time. I hope it is useful and thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in the next video.